Hi everyone. The topic for my emergency response is to create a viable design solution for the Red community affected by bushfires. The emergency scenario I chose to solve was bushfires that affected the Red Bay community. My emergency response to this situation is to develop a viable solution for the Red Bay community. Since Red Bay is a very remote village, people have to travel long distances to get access to face masks from the nearest hardware stores. In order to ease the people and protect them from the harmful elements of smoke, I have developed a face mask vending machine within the village that is easy to use and maintain as well as cost effective. Project background. Red Bay is surrounded by a lot of bushlands, therefore it is very prone to bushfires. The people in Regbe village have poor access to mass during an outbreak of a bushfire due to the remoteness of the village. Nature and severity. In 2019-2020, bushfires destroyed a lot of homes and killed approximately 30 people. It had an impact on the Budri Botanic Gardens and burnt approximately 1691 hectares of land. Problems faced by the people. The closest hardware shop where N95 masks are available are at a distance of 44 kilometers from the Regbe village, which makes it hazardous for the people when outdoors. The roads remain sealed during the bushfire outbursts as the shops close very early. In case of an emergency, it becomes difficult for the people to get immediate access to masks if they are not prepared for the emergency situation. Problem statement. Therefore, how can we design a way that will help people to remain safe when stranded outdoors during a bushfire and reduce the exposure to smoke as well as provide easy access to N95 masks without going to the nearest hardware shop and potentially endangering themselves from the bushfire smoke? Background research. Bregbe consists of a fluctuating population of 215 to 250 people. The housing is surrounded by basic facilities and services, especially the community center. The following images are the site layout and surroundings of the Bregbe village. Bushfire smoke contains a lot of toxic particles such as carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. It also has the presence of tiny particles such as particulate matter, which is very injurious to health when inhaled. A Virgin and Torres Strait Islander group have faced of persistent medical issues and are very vulnerable to the well-being impacts of helpless air quality brought about by bushfire smoke. Precedent research. In order to develop a viable solution, I thought of developing vending machines and therefore did a further research on already available vending machines. Vending machines are used all over the world and that dispense a large number of products in order to make it convenient to the people. People in cities use fully automated vending machines. There are different types of vending machines available for the users. Hand crank vending machine in Japan. Japan is known as leader of vending machines. They came up with a very innovative machine that does not use electricity and therefore can be used in a post-disaster period. It only uses a hand crank vending mechanism. N95 or P2 masks are much better than using a cloth mask as it can filter the minute particles that are present in the bushfire smoke. Therefore, it is very necessary that the people wear the mask in the right way and take adequate measures to protect themselves from bushfire smoke. Concept sketches. The vending machine I try to develop uses a coin operated mechanism to dispense the mask. The hand crank mechanism is an alternative to the product and can be used in case of an emergency when there is no power supply. It will also help the people to reduce the stress at that point of time when there is a power cut. Iterations of the vending machine regarding the form. Concept development. I further did exploration and research on different types of mechanisms that are available for vending machine. The vending machine will use a coil that is connected to a coin operated mechanism that allows the rotation pushes the product when the coin is inserted. The 3D models of the vending machine of my design. It uses a lever and it has to only the material used is ABS as it is high resistance to heat and shock. Implementation of the design. The vending machine can be installed in the community center in the Black Bay village as it is easily accessible to all. Also creating awareness throughout the village by handing out posters and flyers to the people about the installation of the product or calling out a community meeting. I further developed mock-ups of the design in order to understand the design physically. Project outcomes for the people in the Bregbe community. The face mask vending machine is developed so that the general public in Bregbe will have easy access to face masks 24/7. Bregbe being a small village, there is less accessible to basic products. Therefore, it is a need for them to be well prepared during an emergency situation. The vending machine mechanism is very user friendly. All age groups can easily use the product. Since the vending machine can dispense face masks, people in the village can have 24/7 access. With this, they will remain safe when outdoors and will not have to panic during an emergency situation and avoid their travel time and waiting time in a hardware store to get a face mask. I enjoyed learning the basic methods and theoretical methods of the